Guys, if you have a special event and now you want to celebrate this event with your Facebook group friends, then this video would be helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can create an event in your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then in the top menu click on your groups and scroll down, and here you will see all your groups. Now select the group in which you want to create a brand new event. For example, I want to create an event in the first group, so click on it, and here you can see events section, so click on events, and here you can click on create event, and here it will ask you further details. For example, I want to create an event on happy birthday, so write an event name birthday, and then here you can select start date and end date. Click on it, and here you can select date, and here you can select time. For example, I want to change the time to 12, and then click on set. After that, click on done, and here you can provide further details, and then here you can invite all group members. If you want to celebrate your event with your all Facebook group members, then check mark this option, otherwise uncheck this option, and then click on create an event. So guys, you can see our event has been created successfully. In this way, you can create any event in the Facebook group so that you can celebrate the event with your Facebook group members very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.